floor.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. You alright?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Tyres.
Yes, please.
Amazing, thank you. What do you need? Do you need the keys and the nuts?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's all I need. Thank you.
So, I think
That's
that
it.
is it. Is
Yep,
that it?
perfect. Yep, perfect.
Shall I leave it open or?
Leave it unlocked.
Yeah.
I'll hang on to the keys,
Yeah, cool.
and then once I'm done, I'll just give you the key back. Thank
Okay,
you.
you don't need to move it or anything.
No, perfectly fine there.
Amazing.
I'll crack on. I'll get it sorted for you. If that's
Awesome.
okay.
Cheers for that, buddy.
Cheers. Thank you.
Hello, mate.
That's it all sorted.
Oh,
so there are your
amazing.
keys, your lock and nut key,
Awesome.
and then one of our cards with all our details.
Fantastic.
And I'll get the rest
All
sorted out if that's okay.
Cheers for that,
Perfect.
buddy.
Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.